Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We are so happy you found us. I'm Lisa and this is Creativity and Inspiration. Wow, can you believe it's fall? I can't. And it still doesn't feel like fall very much here. But I know in other parts of the country, you guys are lucky. You're feeling that cooler weather. You're getting the leaves starting to change, or they are changing. Maybe you've pulled out the jackets, the jeans. You're very lucky. I wish I was with you. But today I want to talk about fall journals and not putting one together because I have several, but how you can make a journal feel fall. So I'm just going to share some ideas with you, and I think we should just get started. Come on in a little closer and I will tell you why I have a big mess on my desk. Okay guys, there's a lot of ways we can convey fall in journals. And I'm going to start with the outermost layer. And first, it's what is our cover made of? Or what color is our cover? And first I'm going to start with some simple items like brown paper bags or brown file folders. Those really convey fall. You can even make the brown paper bag. You can even make a brown paper bag look leathery by wrinkling it up, wadding it up and getting good creases in it and then Mod Podging it. And it creates that faux leather look. So brown file folders, paper bags, even paper bags that are crumpled and coated with Mod Podge. These scream fall. Another way is to use fall papers. Papers with fall colors, fall images. And here we have orange paper and we have this scrapbook paper that has the owls on it and the colors are screaming fall. Just this plain brown paper that I added a little gold washi tape to. Screams fall. Besides paper, you can use fabrics. You can use prints. Again, because of the fall colors, the richness of the colors. You can, even just seeing this through the camera, you can feel how luxurious this is because of the colors, and it screams fall. And I have one more. Where did it go? Oh, I moved it over here. Or a solid fabric in a great fall color. So how else can we convey fall on our covers? By the images we use. Owls, even mushrooms and butterflies on a paper brown cover or a brown printed cover can convey fall. A cup of coffee on a cover can convey fall. A truck with pumpkins in the back conveys fall. Or you could just make it really obvious and put one on there that says, "Hello, fall." But all of those images without the hello fall convey fall. So those are all ways we can add fall to the outside. But how do we add fall to the inside to create a journal? Well, one, again, is by the papers we pull. I find the inside of fall journals tend to be more dark and moody, but it'll have those bright pops of fall, oranges, greens, and yellows. And of course, a warm cup of coffee screams fall. Coffee dyed paper. A brownish paper. Now see, there's a rich gold color thrown in to give you that pop. Doilies that convey warmth is a great way to add a fall feel. Food images that scream fall. Fall colors. Just anything, rich, luxurious ribbons, like this velvet brown ribbon, screams fall. The papers and the coffee dyed coffee filter the moodiness, even though these are flowers, because of the moodiness, the deep, rich colors, they're screaming fall. Whoops. This one is not sewn together, sorry. Movement. Fall is about movement. Think about how windy it gets in fall. This is a great pop of fall color. Starbucks coffee holder is a great way to convey fall. And if you're putting in other pieces like tags, the ribbons, or oh gosh, what do you call it? Eyelash trims you use, fall colors, the color of the tag, the golds, the browns, even the magazine page used here, because it's the orange, the browns, the dark colors, convey fall. So you convey fall by a mixture of paper, of trims, of ribbons and laces, of images. All of that works together to create a journal that will scream fall. Again, images can really make you feel a fall day. You can picture wind. You can picture, the nip in the air. So if you use certain images, what better way than a tree with leaves blowing? Even a paper bag like this can convey fall because of the darkness and the richness and moodiness of the colors. Even in Liz's True Junk Journal that I did flip through of a couple of videos ago, the True Junk Journal, she used, food and colors and stickers and ribbons to convey that fall feel. So it doesn't matter if you're creating a journal from a kit or from just papers or from True Junk. You can create that fall feel by the papers and items you choose to go in it. It's all about textures, visual clues, images that provoke thoughts of fall. We're really using our 5 senses when we create a journal for fall, winter, spring. We're calling on our memories and our senses to pull us into that time period because of colors, textures, even perceived movements. So guys, I hope I gave you some ideas for your fall journal by just talking about what conveys fall and how we as people, when we're using a journal, feel what you're trying to get across. We pick up on it with our senses and our memories that are triggered. And it's just a beautiful thing. And fall's a beautiful thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with that little bell, because we've got tons of videos planned for you through the end of the year and beyond. Thank you for being here. I will see you on Monday. Take care and have an amazing rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.